South Delhi Kalibari, symbol of collective strength. Nothing says contrast like airplanes soaring over oriental landscapes marked by age-old temples that have been home to hundreds-of-year-old legends. This visual image testifies the firm, unshaken belief that people have had in religion and spirit despite the continuous questioning of their belief at the hands of technology and advancement. The South Delhi Kalibari, located in RK Puram in Delhi, lies close to the Indira Gandhi International Airport. The complex, consisting of a temple, a guest house, offices and a library, is dedicated to the goddess Durga. Presiding deity. The Kalibari, as the name suggests, is home to the goddess Durga or Kali when she assumes Raudra, the wrathful disposition. The goddess is associated with righteousness, fearlessness, destruction, power, time, and nirguna or transcendence. She is attributed all these traits which embody the very era that we live in, the age of Kali or Kali Yuga. It is then appropriate that her abode be located at the heart of one of the busiest cities in the world. Her depiction in such a time and place seems fitting, as the times we live in are fraught with such injustices that meekness and gentleness have no effect on. It is her wrath and her fierce sense of justice that must then be turned to in this age that bears her name. Strength of community. The history of the South Delhi Kalibari bespeaks of the strength of faith and the spirit of the community. A temporary Kali temple was established in the piece of land immediately close to the Uttara Swami Malai Mandir in 1968. The Delhi Development Authority carried out an attempt at demolishing the temple, which was fiercely opposed by the devotees. Families of the area supported the allotment of the piece of land for the construction of the Kalibari. Organized committees were formed to carry out this enterprise. Be it men or housewives, all contributed to the resistance. The temple stands as an example of the strength of community against all odds. Here faith, as in every place of religious importance, becomes the unquestioned and resolute idea that is imperative for mankind. We may argue in favor of reason and rationality and support it by the modern advancements in the field of science, but we cannot hope to win over faith. It is faith that keeps us going in the face of all doubt. Without it, we are subject to insanity and being perished. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.